Sometimes Linux software can be just a little slow. So I have two versions of Firefox. I have this version. That was fast. Okay, that is the non-snap version of Firefox. All right, let's go to my second version. But I think first of all, what we'll do here is let's go ahead and launch the timer, Pomodoro timer. I believe that's Italian for tomato. So this is the world famous tomato timer. All right. So let's go ahead and launch the snap version of Firefox, and we will start the timer, and then we'll see what we have here. So back to menu, of course. Internet, the second version is the snap version. All right, we'll click that, and let's see what we have here. Let's start Pomodoro 5-minute timer, and we'll see what we got. In the meantime, let's listen to one of my dad's tunes while we wait.
Gli amici sono amici fin quando tu gli dai, ma quando tu non hai non ti guardano in faccia e vanno per le strade con le bugie in bocca. L'amico che hai creduto col denaro l'hai perduto, o io ci son cascato, o io sono fregato. L'amico che piangeva è solo un falso vero, o io ci son cascato, o io sono fregato. L'amico di parola delle promesse false, ti voglio tutta mia, ti voglio sempre mia, per tutta vita mia, tu sei l'amore mio. Gli amici sono amici fin quando tu gli dai, ma quando tu non hai non ti guardare in faccia, o io ci sono cascato, o io sono fregato.
Okay, look, what I'm trying to say here is that Linux software is not usually this slow. If you are new to the world of Linux, I would probably stay away from snap packages and flatpaks in the beginning. If you are new to this, because, well, for the simple reason in my test, they are simply unpredictable. They can be fast or they can be just a little slow, as you have seen when I ran the countdown timer. So, yeah, if you're running like Ubuntu base, stick to the default package manager, the software. Hey, hallelujah! Firefox launched. Oh man, I gotta celebrate. Okay, where's my Carlo Rossi red wine? Delicious.